So one of the first projects that Oracle worked on was for the CIA, not far from here. It's a tiny little company, and the project name stuck, and here we are, Oracle, not far from here. You also have NVIDIA, $4 trillion company, most valuable company in the world, very short drive from here, just north. Prepare for the pear, and let's talk pears and apples. It's actually Intel, you may have seen them in recent headlines. They used to be a pear orchard back in the day, founded in 1970. Also, April 1st, April Fool's Day, 1976, Apple was founded. You're not only close to tech companies, you're also close to a green space park owned by the community. You have barbecue area, picnic tables, hardscaping, enshrined greenery, privacy hedges, more hardscaping, and lots of grass and trees. This house is comprehensively remodeled. It's a spacious, move-ready townhome, peacefully nestled beside this scenic park and this playground in one of Santa Clara's most desirable communities, just a short drive from South Bay's largest employers and finest amenities. It's smartly updated throughout. This intuitive floor plan ensures comfort and versatility. And for those craving private office space, you can thank the 3 full en-suites, including this one has a ground floor junior suite with a patio, so it's ideal for guests or in-laws, and you have dual upstairs en-suites as well. One of them showcasing a luxurious master suite with dual sink vanity, separate toilet room, a nice spacious walk-in shower with glass, and French door walk-in closet with built-in storage. This expansive, open concept living area with hand-scraped engineered wood flooring, it's bathed in natural light through panoramic windows and features a spacious, updated kitchen that has granite countertops and stainless appliances, in-ceiling LED lighting, a utility room with washer and dryer, and also has a bonus office area halfway up the stairs. You're also benefiting from very affordable Santa Clara utilities and way too many upgrades to catalog, including these newly installed flooring upstairs, tri-zone central heat and air conditioning, and a professional paint job. This spacious home has been put through a full 18-point inspection regimen. It's also identified as certified pre-owned with a home warranty. So set foot on these engineered hardwood floors, let the light hit you through these dual pane windows, and come on down for Saturday or Sunday open house and experience the fresh AC